What's going on, guys? This is Simon from SG and we're back for a new video. So I recently got a comment on a blog post of mine about how to give introductory offer on a subscription price. So for example, with this coffee subscription, if I wanted to charge, maybe $5, or let's just say I want to charge 50% off on the subscription price just for the first order, and then have the rest of the renewal orders that happen a month from now, 2 months from now, 3 months from now be $12 a month. So how do I set this up with WooCommerce subscriptions? How do I have a customer pay $6 for the first payment and then $12 for every payment after? Well, we're gonna go over it, and I'm gonna give you 3 different methods to use because your use case might want to use one of the 3 or work for you. So let me know if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to give me a like, and all the links in this video can be found in the description box below. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my dashboard and I'm going to go to marketing coupons, and I'm going to create a new coupon just called like intro offer, and I'm going to do a percentage discount for 50%, right? And then I'm gonna go to usage restrictions, and I'm only gonna apply this for the light rose subscription, right? Awesome. So I'm giving you a 50% discount, and it's just gonna be on this light rose subscription. And then I'm gonna publish the coupon. Awesome. So now if I go through the checkout process, right? The coupon doesn't auto apply, and I'll get to that in a second, but I can take this intro offer, and if I apply this, right, I get that $6 off or 50% off. And I'm also just gonna add another product to the cart just to have you guys see that when I add this other product to the cart, it only gives $6 off for this subscription product. Okay, so how do I have this automatically apply just for their first payment? Well, next we're going to have to install the WooCommerce Smart Coupons plugin. I'll put the link in the description box below, but essentially I'm gonna go to plugins, add new, and I'm gonna upload the WooCommerce Smart Coupons plugin. And after installing the plugin, I'm going to activate the plugin. Awesome, so now I'm gonna go to my coupons again, and I'm gonna go to this intro offer, and I'm gonna have this coupon auto apply, right? I only want it to auto apply, and it's gonna be on the percentage discount. So this is not a recurring product discount or a recurring product percentage discount. This is just percentage discount because it's gonna happen on the first order. And you could go and do like for new user only, or only apply this coupon and not be able to be combined with other coupons, or limit per user of 1. But I always think it's just easier just to leave these restrictions off, and then if you see people abusing it, you can always change it later or test it. But right now I'll just set this up. So I'm just gonna re-update this plugin and not put any usage restrictions on it. So now if I go back to my cart, right, and I refresh it, and this coupon's going to apply. And to make sure that you guys understand this, I'm just gonna copy this and open this in a private window. And a private window, nothing's been added to the cart, and I'm gonna add this to my cart, and you can see that this coupon automatically applied. So I'm not signed in, this is an incognito window. And now if I go back and let's say I add like this coffee grinder again, I can see that it's only applied to the first, it's only applied to the light roast subscription product. And if I update the cart to 2, you can see that the discount updated to 12. So using the Smart Coupons plugin is one way to auto apply it and have your subscription be, introductory offer or discount just on their first payment. Okay, so let's say I go through this checkout process and I go back to the account I'm signed into, and let's say I'll update this to 2 just to show you guys. So I'm getting $12 off or 50% off my subscription products on the first order, and you can see right here that my next order is going to be for, it's going to cost $24 a month, because that's the products that are on subscription for $12, etc. So you guys can see this right here, right? And let's say I go through this checkout process and I place this order. Awesome, so I went through this checkout process, I placed the order, and you can see that light roast subscription, I got a discount for $12, right? So 50% off each. And let's say I go back to my dashboard and I go to this subscription, and the subscription is, still $12. So the next payment is going to be $12 for each Light Roast Coffee subscription. So I can go right here, let's say I process the renewal, it's going to be $12 times 2, so $24. So right where you see here, if I come down here, I can come down to this parent order, and let's compare both orders. So this is the parent order. I can see that the discount was for 12, so 50% off. And right here, I can see that this renewal order right here, without the coffee grinder, was there's no discount applied. Okay, so that's the first method, using the WooCommerce Smart Coupons plugin, and I will link that in the description box below. Please use my link if you guys get value out of this. And with that, we're gonna go to method number 2. So the next method we can go to, so I'm gonna go back to my site, and I'm gonna go back to this Light Roast product. And right here you can see it says $12 a month. So another situation we could do is we could edit this product, and we could come down here, and we could do a sign-up fee of $6, and we could do a free trial for 1 month. So if we do a free trial for 1 month and a sign-up fee for $6, the first month the customer is just going to pay $6. So let's, after updating this, right, sign-up fee, this is just what it's going to be, included $6 for the first payment, and then after a month it's going to go to $12. So let's just test this one out again. Awesome. And then I'm going to go, and I'm actually going to go back to this coupon, and I'm going to unset it real quick. So I'm just going to make this a draft, because we don't need this coupon anymore. We're using the sign up fees and free trials, right? Okay, so now let's go to my subscription product, right? And right here, I just want to show you guys what it looks like, but we can change this using the price strain plugin. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how this looks and works. So the first payment is going to be $6, and then after that, it's going to be $12 per month. Okay. And if you guys wanted to play around, maybe didn't like this, there's filters and actions that you can use to unset this. Maybe you want to say $6, and then in smaller text say, $12 a month billed after. So I'm just gonna go and show you guys this price strain plugin. So let's just install it real quick. And I will link this also in the description box below. This one's actually a free plugin, but I will link it as well if you wanna get value. Awesome, so I installed and activated the custom price strain plugin. And now if I come back to my cart, and let's go back to this Light Roast subscription product, and let's edit it. So I'm gonna come down here, and I can see this custom price strain. So let's say I wanna do $6, and then I wanna say, I don't know if this even offers HTML, but billed at $12 a month. And I don't even know how this, I haven't used this price strain plugin a lot, so I'm just gonna test this out and add this price strain just to see what it looks like. And now if I open up my new tab, I can see that, it says $6, and maybe I want to make this text smaller, so I can come down here and I could do $6, and then let's go small, and let's see, I don't even know if I can add HTML in here. Let's add a break. Let's just see what this looks like. So now I come back here, and let's just open this up in a new tab to compare. So it went down here, and then maybe I want to create some CSS with this small, right? I could just come here, and I could do like font size, 50%. Let's say I want to go way down, and then maybe like that. And then I want to do color, let's just say gray. Or something like that. So you could play around with using HTML and CSS to say $6 and then build at $12 a month afterwards, or whatever your offer promo is. So that is using the free trial and sign up fees with WooCommerce subscriptions, and that is method number 2. And now we have method number 3. So method number 3 involves, and let me just come back to this product. Okay, now we have method number 3. And with method number 3, what we could do is we have this Light Roast subscription product, right? And if I update this, it's showing $12 a month. So what we could do is we could set this at $6 a month, right? And what we also could do is we could use AutomateWoo. So after the first payment, we could automatically update this to $12. So I'll show you. So we're gonna go back to our dashboard, and I already have AutomateWoo installed. But if you don't, click my link in the description box below to get AutomateWoo. And with that, I'm gonna go to AutomateWoo workflows, and then I'm gonna create a new workflow. And I'm just gonna name this, update offer price to subscription price, Light Roast. So I'm gonna do when a subscription is created, right? When a subscription is created, I am going to look for this Light Roast subscription, and I'm gonna add a rule. Or I don't necessarily need to add a rule, but you could add a rule for whatever you wanted right here. But I'm not gonna add a rule. And then I'm gonna do an action, and I'm gonna go to subscription, update product, okay? And I'm gonna search for this Light Roast subscription, right? And then I'm gonna update the product to 12. So after the first subscription payment is created for $6, this will automatically update from 6 to 12 for all their next renewal payments. And awesome, and I am going to save this. So just to review, when the subscription is created for $6 for this Light Roast subscription product, we are then going to update the product to $12. So a month from now, the payment will be for $12. I'm going to go back here, and I am going to go through a checkout process. So I have $6 a month, but let's say I go and I buy this, right? It's going to be $6 for the first payment. That's our introductory offer, and it shows that the next payment is going to be like this. And you can maybe hide that with HTML or CSS or whatever you want to do. And I'm going to go through this checkout process, and I'm going to place my order. And if I come back to my account, right? So I see this, and I come back to my account after it's been created. So I can see that this Light Roast updated at $12 a month, right? So, and if I want to see how this workflow is working, right? So this workflow is automatic and the status is active. So I need to go to the logs, AutomateWoo logs, and I can see right here, this ran 21 seconds ago. And if I view it, it updated the subscription price from 6 to 12. And I can also see this by going to subscriptions, clicking into the subscription, and I can see that this price is now 12. And I can also come down here and look at the parent order, and if I compare it, the parent order was $6. So it successfully worked, and that's using AutomateWoo. Click the link in the description box below. And if you guys got value out of this tutorial, make sure to give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and maybe you want to check out some more AutomateWoo videos or some more smart coupons or more videos on maybe free trials and WooCommerce subscriptions. Have a great rest of your day. Peace!